Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey listen, I'm going to give you 3 really quick things that will make your move to Italy a whole lot easier, and these are things you do before you go. The first thing is get rid of everything you can. Don't ship things unless you really can't live without them, because shipping is uncertain, it's expensive. I've heard some shipping nightmares and things like that, so try to avoid shipping your important stuff. The second thing is you have to start your residency process before you leave. You got to do it at your home consulate. So take a look at Studio Legale Meta's blog on the elective residence visa. Third thing is get an international driver's license before you go so that you have time to learn the language and take the course and get your Italian driver's license. And the last thing is don't forget to get your Codice Fiscale. If you can get it before you go at your embassy, that would be great. If not, go down to the Agenzia dell'Entrata as soon as you get there and get it. You're going to need it for furniture purchases, car purchases, and a whole lot of other things. So get all those things done, and I'll see you soon.